do a video tour of this home for you guys. So we were in the foyer, which is where we left off when we got cut out. So we're in our Vermeer as a reminder, and we're building this home at the Reserve at Spring Lake. It is a stunning, stunning floor plan. We have done a live of the same floor plan previously. But as you walk in, you have a great space here. Really bright, tons of light, tons of windows. Makes for an awesome office. With so many people working from home these days, it's so important to have a space for a lot of people. This would be as if we're walking in the front door, guys. And we come in, again, super open. And our homeowners here just made stunning, stunning selections. One nice thing about the Williams series, which our Vermeer is part of, are the standard features. We have a really amazing standard features, or also referred to as included features package for our homes here. You guys will notice a lot of the trim work. This is standard trim work. It is gorgeous with the bigger, thicker casing, baseboards, super modern, and just gives everything in the home a really beautiful, nice finish. So you guys saw the dining room. And this is the core of your home, guys. It is just absolutely stunning. So this is our great room. It is a 2-story great room. And it is beautiful. Love the box beam ceiling that our customers here in this home selected. It is just gorgeous with the crown molding inside. So one awesome thing that they did here is a 2-sided fireplace. So this 2-sided fireplace is from the great room to the outside porch in the back. And they stained their mantle to match their flooring, and it does perfectly, beautiful. And when we go outside, we'll actually get to see the other side of that fireplace. So again, you got a really great, nice open space here. You're looking up at the second floor hall there. So very open. And then the kitchen. So they did just, again, beautiful, beautiful selections in here. So the island, guys, it's massive. And I'm loving their color choice, the willow here. So these are willow cabinets. Very, very beautiful. And then we have a Calcutta quartz countertop. Really want you guys to get a great perspective of the size of that island. So you can do tons of stools around here, seating. Great for entertaining, family gatherings, parties, or just everyday living. And then just tons of cabinetry in here. So they did a really awesome option with a stacked cabinet. This is a custom option, the cabinets that you're seeing on the top, but they are beautiful. And it really emphasizes the height of the ceiling in this floor plan. So this floor plan, we've got 10-foot ceilings on the main level, 9-foot upstairs, and 9 foot in the basement. So it just creates a really nice open feel in the plan. And you can see this beautiful kitchen. So another feature, like I was saying in the Williams series, is all of the cabinets are gonna be soft closed doors and drawers standard in our Williams series. So all of our homes in our Williams series feature that as a standard feature. So that's what you will have at the Reserve at Spring Lake. And they opted for this beautiful hood cooktop. And they did the really sleek modern farmhouse sink with a stainless steel apron here. And it opens up to our breakfast room. Again, lovely windows, lots of natural lights. And then off of that is a porch. It's a covered porch. This is included with the Vermeer plan. And they actually did the extension on this porch. So this porch is huge. Even without the extension, this is an awesome, awesome size porch. You guys can get an idea of the depth of this here. It's really beautiful. One nice thing that they did too, this is a custom option, but they did this back wall of the porch in stone. And I am loving, loving the way this turned out with the 2-sided fireplace and this stone wall. It's just gorgeous. So that door is actually gonna lead us into our main level owner's bedroom, which is a great feature of this plan. And we're gonna head that way now. So really great size porch. Beautiful 8-foot doors on the main level in this home. So the Vermeer is awesome because it has a main level owner's bedroom included as part of the plan. If you watch our last Facebook Live, you'll see that on there as well. But this one has a few different colors, but the size is going to be the same. We have 2 windows on the side here. We have a beautiful bathroom, which we're going to go into here shortly. And again, just kind of taking a look around at the beautiful casing, those nice tall doors. This is going to lead out to that covered porch we were just on. And just awesome size room. So also is going to be your bathroom. And again, guys, this is an included feature, the main level owner suite and bathroom here in the Vermeer. And again, just the colors that they did in here are stunning. The color combinations, they just beautiful. Love, love, love the way this turned out. They did a frameless shower door, gives it a really nice sleek look here. And there's a bench. This is great if you have maybe, multi-generational living in your home, or if you want a really nice office, or if you have a kid maybe coming back home to live with you, which we're seeing more and more. It's just an awesome space. And you got this beautiful soaking tub here. Big kudos to our homeowners on their selections in this house. You know who you are, guys. Okay. So I'm loving the closet size here as well. So huge walk-in closet. You guys can see those nice wooden shelves we do with the Williams series. All right, so let's take a look back here. So we are walking back to where you would have your garage entry. They opted for this great bench here. And I'll just show you guys, this would be where you're coming in, your garage. So you're entering through your garage when you're coming home, and you park in your garage to this arrival space here. And there is a powder room here. And this powder room is included. Now, and I apologize, I don't have any lights in here, but we're gonna be able to take a look. This is where our main level laundry room is. And they have opted to make this a prep kitchen. I love what they did here. So they can have a little prep kitchen. And again, we have a laundry room upstairs. I know it's really difficult to see. Again, we'll be posting photos and video of this, but great space to have a kitchen kind of off. If you're doing cooking, you don't want your main kitchen getting dirty, something quick, or prepping, you need that extra space. So, okay guys, we're back at it. So we were talking about the custom options. So one awesome thing about Christopher Companies is we do a process called non-standard options, custom request. And it's very different because a lot of builders won't take that on or do custom requests, change the floor plan from what you see on the architectural drawings and the floor plans. So we really pride ourselves in allowing people to do custom requests, because oftentimes people have family situations where they're needed, or just something that's desired to make their lives easier. In this case where you saw that prep kitchen, our homeowners here didn't need a main level laundry room, so they decided to take that space and make that a prep kitchen for that themselves, which I think is an awesome idea. So that process, if you guys are interested in learning more about custom requests, please reach out to myself, Liz, or Jackie out in Delaware if you're looking in Delaware. So we're upstairs, just looking down into that great room. It's gorgeous. And then we've got that box beam ceiling, a better, closer look at that. So just a gorgeous, gorgeous plan. This is the upper level loft. So we have some awesome options for cabinetry in here, built-in things like that. All right, here's one of our secondary bedrooms. These bedroom sizes, guys, in the secondary bedrooms are huge. They're massive, gorgeous. Look at this gorgeous countertop. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Love that. So these bedrooms have their own baths, which is a great feature. Again, if you have kids or just, you know, you're looking for more privacy, everybody doesn't have to share a hall bath. And here's that upstairs laundry. Look at this awesome tile. This is the upper level laundry room. Now again, standard is a laundry room on the upper level as well as the main level. And our homeowners here did the prep kitchen in lieu of that laundry. So another secondary bedroom here. And I want to show you guys, I'm going to show you the other secondary bedroom, and then we're going to look at the owner's suite. So the wood shelving here is just an awesome feature in the Williams series. So this is our owner's suite, which we're going to come back to. Just want to give everybody a feeling of how it flows upstairs. Okay. This is your unit, your upper level unit. So we are in that last secondary bedroom on the upper level. Again, just an awesome room size here. And great lighting. Let's take a look at this bathroom. Beautiful selections in here. They did a frameless shower door in here. Really just gives it a really sleek, nice look. All right. Let's go take a look at the owner's suite, which I'm super excited to show you. So the owner's suite is one of my favorite spaces in the Vermeer. And you'll see why here momentarily. Look at this gorgeous tray ceiling. It's got beautiful crown molding up there. It just makes that ceiling height just really, it just gives a really great feel. So this is my favorite space in this floor plan. Everybody may have their own, but this is mine. This is the owner's bathroom, and I am so excited to show you guys this. It is gorgeous. Look at the soaking tub with the beautiful windows over top. Look at the size of the shower, you guys. How incredible is this? It is such a great layout for a bathroom. It's open, there's space, you don't feel crowded in here at all. You've got the dual vanities, lots of storage, which a lot of owner suites actually lack. People don't realize it until they move in, but you know, it's one of those things that you don't realize, but this storage is amazing in here with the drawers and the doors, cabinet doors on the base. Huge feature, I think. No lack of space for your stuff. And I absolutely just love this. Let me open this so you guys can get the full effect in here. Look at this shower, just beautiful. So the Williams series does feature tile to the ceiling in the owner's suite bathroom as a standard feature. And it just turned out gorgeous. There's a linen closet in here. Again, the storage space in this bathroom is phenomenal. And these closets. Let's look at these closets. All right, so here's one of them. Great closet. And let's take a look at the other one. And guys, this is the size of a room. It's absolutely amazing. Amazing space here. And then this door has a private water closet. Shade bathroom from this angle. So again, guys, I absolutely just love this. I think it's an awesome space. Very well done. Great storage, great space, and great color selections from our homeowners. As a reminder, everybody, we're going to be posting these on our Facebook as well as our Instagram. And then we'll be having a professional video and photography done. So keep your eyes out on our webpage and our social media for those, to see those. And if If you guys have questions on Spring Lake or any of our other communities, my name is Jamie. Our phone number is 703-268-1265. I am happy to help. And if you guys want to set up an appointment for the Reserve at Spring Lake, we are taking appointments. So we are super excited about this community that just opened in Herndon. And we have curb down, and we're excited to start taking people and showing them lots. So call us if you guys have questions. Thanks again, everybody, for your patience. We really, really appreciate it. And I look forward to hearing from all of you and talking to some of you soon. Have a great weekend, everybody.